Right, and then you just have to press. I don't know. What
It's recording now. Look, right. There's the camera bit. Lewis, mate. Look what I've got. Look.
You don't need to do that, Joe. You can see what it's recording by looking at it, can't you? Do you want me to turn it up?
Here, come on, turn it up. That's sick, isn't it?
It's good, Joe.
Shout out to Kev Finch raving in his kitchen waiting for a lift. He says Skyfall remix, wow. Dr. Mika. Big ups to them, and hello to DJ Jose Guerrero. Greetings from NYC, just tuned in for the first time ever. Welcome to the show, Jose. We got Chris Hooper, who says, the new music takeover has been amazing this week. Why does it have to end, Annie? Some things always have to end. Go back, listen again, and then remember that all those people that you heard this week have regular weekly shows on Radio 1. You can go listen to them as much as you like. Chris Hooper UK, that obviously means you're based in the UK, so you can get the BBC Radio iPad,
Hello.
which is amazing.
Hello from a Thailand.
Listen back to any shows you like whenever you like. You can even set your alarm to wake up with your favourite radio show. I do it every morning with my own. No, I don't. That's a joke. Really? No, I don't. Big up Joey, he's like, I'm listening to house in my house just isn't the same. I want to be raving. I hear you, Joey. I'm already feeling a little bit panicky about the fact that I don't have a gig tonight and I don't know what I'm going to be doing. This is nice. Queenie. And a tune called And Every, inching ever closer to the B-Traits mini mix.
There you go, mate. Hope you're having a good time in Thailand.